Isiri Holiday Homes, located amidst the beautiful greenery in Kalasa. They provide variable options of comfortable stay, a variety of delicious food. Enjoy the thrilling rafting in Bhadra river accompanied by rafting guides. You can hire a car or jeep for the local sightseeing. For some adventure, trek the beautiful hills nearby and enjoy the scenic beauty of the place. Explore the local culture. Enjoy the night camp at the site with bonfire, music, along with delicious dinner. Wake up to the beautiful foggy morning, walking around and having a cup of tea or coffee and a breakfast with amazing river view. You can also explore nearby places like Hanging Bridge, Kalaseshwara Temple, Annapurneshwari Temple, which is in Horanadu and only a few kilometers from this place. Come enjoy your holiday in Kalasa, exploring the beautiful place with comfortable stay amidst the green natural beauty, which is suitable for all age groups. At Isiri Holiday Homes, Kalasa.